Luc Paquin. Photography, jewelry, steampunk, painting, prints, digital prints, etchings, engravings, drawing, illustration, sculpture, fiber arts, mixed media, tools, electronics, robotics, etc. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luc Paquin, 1973. Steampunk Earring, item number 30. Artist, Luc Paquin. Year, 2019, July. Art, jewelry steampunk art. Length, 3.5 inches, 90 millimeters. Width, 0.75 inches, 20 millimeters. Height, 0.35 inches, 8 millimeters. Media, earring hook ball coil, wire, gears, charm, resistors. A piece of steampunk earring custom unique handmade. The perfect statement earrings will add steampunk flair to any look with unique handcrafted designer. 100% steampunk earring custom unique handmade. This item comes in a NeoSteamLabs box. Ready to ship within 1 to 2 weeks. Price, message or contact.
The Steampunk Earring here. This one here. And another one. This here. This earring hook and ball here, wire here, gear here, resistor, and charm. This here, the moon. And that's it. Steampunk Earring. Bye-bye.
Luc Paquin Art. Curriculum vitae. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.